I miss you guys, and we hope that you're staying safe and staying well. We are in a situation that isn't really ideal, but we're going to work together to get through it and provide the best learning possible that we can during this time. I wanted to get on here and talk about what you guys are going to receive and talk a little bit about what's going to be in your packet that gets sent home. So the first thing you'll get is this yellow bag. It's going to have all the materials, all the activities, everything that you will need to do your e-learning at home. So that will be, like I said, everything will be in here. So please make sure you get this packet. The first thing that you're going to get is this calendar here. This is everything that you will need for your learning. It gives you all of your activities that you will have to complete. I want to talk a little bit about this because the first thing, it is 2 weeks worth of activities. So please, please, please make sure that you are starting on week number 1. And then it also has week number 2 on the back, but start with week 1. You are not expected to do this all in 1 day or 2 days. It is broken up day by day for the week. So you'll start with Monday. You'll do all the activities that are on Monday. Then the next day, Tuesday, you'll do all the activities for Tuesday, and so on and so forth through the week. As you're doing these activities, if you can check them off, you can send me a picture through the Class Dojo app, making sure that you're doing the activities and I can see that you're doing them. So again, this will be in your packet. Like I said, please, please, please make sure you start on week number 1. All right, the next thing that you will receive in your packet is a sheet that looks like this. These are all the apps that you will need. Some of them you will have to do some of the activities that are in the calendar. You will access these apps through the Launchpad. You can do the Launchpad on your tablet. You can access the Launchpad through a cell phone, through a computer, iPad, whatever it is that you have that you can access Launchpad. To access Launchpad, you will use a quick card that looks like this. This is in each of the bags that you will have. So this will be in your bag. You will use this. You'll log into Launchpad that way. When you use this, you'll click one of the apps, whatever the app is that you're working with. It should log you in directly. If it does not, there is a username on the back of this card that you can use to type in your username, your password, and it'll log you in. Also on the back of this card, there's important information because it's a username for WebEx and a password. WebEx is something that we are going to be using during this time, and we're going to talk about that right now. So the next thing you will use is this pink piece of paper. It talks about WebEx directions for students, how you can log into WebEx. WebEx is kind of like a chat where you can get on a computer screen or a tablet screen or a phone screen, and it's kind of like having class through a computer screen. And I can help you with work that you may need help with, checking in. I can upload lessons and books that I can read to you guys and that you can come in and check them out. So that'll be a very important thing for the process that we are doing. Also inside your bag are going to be some resources that you will also use for the calendar activities. One of those is an eVision math book. It's just got math pages that you can work with, different activities. And so that you'll have that. You will have a writing journal where you'll do some of your writing activities inside there. And you will also have a book that looks like this. This is your social studies book where you'll do some social studies activities inside of the book. The next thing you'll have is just a little packet of supplies that you may need at home. We're going to send that just to make sure you have what you need: pencils, eraser, glue sticks, and crayons, so that you can complete these activities. And then the last thing that you'll have to do some reading. Some of you may have books at home. That is perfectly fine if you want to read those books. But you are provided in your packet some books that are kind of like our bag books each week. So make sure that you check those out. You can use these as your reading. But that's what you will receive in your yellow bag. If you have any questions, you can always dojo me. That's going to be a main thing that we use is Class Dojo. So please make sure you're on that and you get notifications set up so that you can send me any questions that you may have and I can communicate with you. like I said, we'll make this experience the best we can. I hope you have a great couple